You know the smell when you're walking through the mall at Christmas time and the cinnamon and sugary scent just hits your sinuses? No, hits your senses. Those candied almonds, and they are to die for. They're one of my favorite things about the holidays, and let me tell you, it's actually not hard to make them yourself at home in about 15 minutes. What's up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Today we are making those crunchy, sweet, cinnamony candied almonds. And yep, this is really all you need to make candied almonds. This in about 15 minutes. We have water, granulated sugar, some vanilla, ground cinnamon, and of course our whole natural almonds. Make sure you get the natural ones. You don't want like roasted and salted. You just want plain old almonds for this. Candied almonds are perfect for the holidays. Give them to neighbors, make them and keep them all for yourself. I won't blame you. But these are just one of the delicious treats of the holidays, and I'm excited to share it with you today. I'm going to grab a saucepan and head over to the stovetop, and we'll get making these. Okay. I forgot to tell you we needed butter too. I just forgot to pull it out. We need a 1/4 cup of butter, but that also reminds me to tell you that you can find the whole recipe, big old blog post about it, printable instructions, everything at my website, and the link to that recipe and blog post is in the description below. So we're putting all of the ingredients besides the almonds into a saucepan. I'm just gonna turn on here to about medium heat. So butter is going in. Water, our sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. We're just going to stir that until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, we'll toss in this bag of almonds that I have. Right next to me here, I prepared just a cookie sheet with parchment paper. You need that parchment paper or like a silicone liner of some sort and have it ready, because once these almonds are done, you need to get them out of that pan really fast. So I'm just going to stir this until it starts to boil, and I'll put in those almonds. While we're waiting for this to boil here, do me a favor, comment below, let me know where you usually buy your candied almonds from, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing a lot of yummy holiday recipes over the next few weeks. And give this video a like if you like those candied almonds. So this recipe actually will use this entire 14-ounce bag of almonds. I just grabbed them from Walmart. It's pretty convenient that they're already measured out for you. So we're starting to boil here. So I'm quickly going to just pour in these almonds, and then we need to stir, 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 stir. And keep stirring. Want a close-up of this? Okay. The sauce, stop it. The sauce around the almonds is really liquidy right now. It's going to go through a couple of stages as we sit here and stir. It will go from liquidy to kind of like stringy and syrupy, really thick. And then finally, all of the water will boil out of the sugar and the cinnamon and the butter, and we're going to be left with just like a crumbly candied almond texture. So we're just stirring, 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 watching for the water to evaporate out. It will get thicker, and then once it's all gone, it will get crumbly, and that's when we want to pour it immediately out onto our pan here. Don't worry, we'll show you an up close of the stages. Oh, and this will take about 10 minutes probably. But stir the whole time so that they don't burn to the bottom. That'd be really sad to have burnt candied almonds. It would like be worse than getting coal in your stocking on Christmas morning. I need like a longer spoon. That'd be a really good thing to get me for Christmas. Some like longer spoons. My hand is like on fire. Just saying. So a lot of the water is boiled out here, so now it is quite a bit thicker, more like a thick syrup. In another couple of minutes, all of the liquid will be out and the texture will totally change. And I'll show you what that looks like when it gets kind of dry and crumbly. Okay, it's now getting stringy. Because these almonds are boiling with this mixture here, the almonds get cooked a little bit, which makes the final result of the almonds kind of soft and chewy. They're not quite as hard as regular almonds. You can tell that all the liquid is out now and it's starting to get dry and crumbly. All right, we're there. There's no more liquid left, and you can tell that that is now starting to stick to the almonds. We're gonna take it off the heat and pour it onto this pan. Okay. Just pouring all of this onto this prepared pan. Just spread this out. We're just gonna let these chill out here, sit, cool until they're nice and cool, and then you can break them apart into bite-sized pieces or just, you know, break them up into the individual almonds. That sugar, it's kind of separated from the almonds right now, but as things cool, it will adhere to those almonds. So we're just gonna let this do its thing. We'll revisit it when it's cool. So the almonds have been sitting here for probably like 20 minutes or so, and they're nice and cool, easy to handle. You can see, whoa, that cinnamon sugar mixture is sticking to all of these individual almonds. So last thing we need to do here is eat them or package them up if you're going to give them away to somebody. I happen to be keeping all of these for myself and my family, so we're just probably gonna put them into a bowl. You can store them for, they stay really good for like a week and a half if they last that long, just in an airtight, you know, zip top bag or container of some sort. Put it up. Okay. So this holiday season, when you're stuck at home because things are a little bit crazy right now, pull out the ingredients and make yourself some candied almonds. It will just make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Okay. Can I eat one? Yeah. I love how the sugar just like breaks apart. You know what I'm talking about? It does not stick into your teeth at all. You want one? Here you go. Yeah, those just taste like Christmas.